The moon has shifted closer to Earth, and our tides are going wild. Coastal cities are witnessing unprecedented flooding, while bizarre low tides reveal hidden seabeds. As the gravitational pull intensifies, scientists are baffled by changes in human behavior. People are reporting heightened emotions, erratic sleep patterns, and even unexplained bursts of creativity. Communities are adapting on the fly, with some embracing the chaos and others scrambling for solutions. This cosmic shakeup has everyone wondering, how will our world transform with the moon's newfound influence? Dive into this celestial mystery and explore the ripple effects that are rewriting the rules of nature and human life.